who should truly perform first. And guess what? That year in 1999, Achambe was the first flight group that took the award for the best flight song. Therefore, we have to perform. My highest point is, of course, the year that I became artist of the year. And that year I think I took 5 awards. And come to see how that transformed my career. I became a completely different person, and I got a big. I am the only artist in this country who has each of the evolution of the flags. And I am the only artist in this country who took the first one, who took the first Ghana Music Awards, and probably will take the last one as well. Don't joke with me. The impact that Ghana Music Awards has on the industry is immeasurable. We can't measure it. Because at least on that
Bye-bye to VGMA and welcome to TGMA!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards is now the Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Bye-bye VGMA. Welcome TGMA.
There is a discussion that we are going to have in our office concerning our inclusion of Ghana Music Awards. That discussion has never been had yet, so I'm not sure we are part of it at the moment. Sami Flex, I'm an industry person, so everywhere that there is an industry gathering, beyond my artist, I'm also a part of it. My artist is also a part of the industry, but we all know his issues with the organizers. Something that we pray that we hope that in the future both parties will sit and make sure we look for the best of solutions for it, because of course we all know the strength of Shatawale in this music industry. I'm sure if he had been a part of it, like most of the awards, he would be sweeping them back to back like that. But for reasons that many of us know, it's not been new. It is the reason that he is not part of the moment.
Is that to confirm that Shatawale will not be part of this year's Ghana Music Awards?
As I speak to you, I don't have any information that tells us he's going to be a part of it.
So he's not going to be a part of this year?
What you know. That's what I'm saying, that as I talk to you now, there hasn't been any information that tells me that he's going to be a part of it. Unless maybe there are some miracles happening behind me that I don't know. If there are some miracles happening behind that, that's fine. But as much as I know, there isn't any information like that.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
A big thank you to the board. A lot of applause to the board. And for everyone else who has helped on our team in one way or the other. And most importantly, achievements recorded in discographies have served to add value to our artists and serve as strong promotional tools that cement artists' career journeys. This year being our anniversary year is a special one. without reference to
Where's the flash?
All lights they there.
All lights they
Still they are alive.
check no expiry date.
And also a big thank you to KPMG
Check, you never there
for
expire.
your unwavering support. And we know we can count on your support for the years to come. We look forward to delighting you at this year's event on 1st June, which is being designed to be a spectacular night. So start getting your red carpet outfits ready to dazzle with the stars. I have to use this platform to make a special appeal for more funding to support this event into the future. It has been
featuring Stoneboy, Rent Free, Jackie, I Lied, Kitty, Terminator, King Promise, Bad Boy, Last Mid, Till We Die, Sarkodie, featuring Ruger, Into the Future, Stoneboy,
Never listen to what them say.